Deciding whether to repair or replace your damaged roof? Here's a quick guide to help you make the best choice. First, consider the roof's age and the scope of the damage. Most asphalt shingle roofs last around 20 years. Experts suggest replacing your roof if it is older or more than 20% of the roof is damaged. Signs to look out for include curling shingles, daylight in your attic, or indoor water damage. Next, weigh the costs. While fixes are cheaper up front, patching an older roof every few years could quickly add up. A single replacement may be more cost-effective over time. Finally, understand your insurance. Policies may cover sudden storm damage, but may exclude normal wear and tear. Before filing a claim, document damage with photos, review your policy details, and get multiple estimates. A little preparation could go a long way to help protect your property, optimize your budget, and make the process go smoother. Discover smart ways to help protect yourself and your finances. Head to AAA.com/connect and explore our free educational insurance resources today.